Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weeklies from 9th till 15th of November, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so for a personal reading by me, you can DM me or message me in my Facebook or Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura only, and you can also click the link which is provided in the description box below for both of my pages. So DM me if you like for a personal reading. All right, now, so right now I am doing a deck. This is the Moonology deck, where it is. Yeah, so this is my Oracle Moonology deck. So is it? Yeah. So this is going to give you guidance today regarding your situation. So let's see what is the guidance for my Leos in the week today. Okay, so we have two cards. Alright, so your dreams need a practical plan, and the second card is a fiery climax is approaching. So this is something, you know, when you start dreaming about your work, you know that there are a lot of thoughts in your mind. So it's time to take that thoughts into action. Okay, so your dreams need a practical plan for that. Whatever you are thinking, so it's a yes from the universe. Yes, the time has come for the practical actions now, and after that only you will get a fiery climax is approaching you. Okay, so this is something which is from the universe. The message from the universe is over here for you. At the end of the deck we have, don't let your past hold you back. I don't know why, but Cancer got this, Gemini got this, and you as well. What is happening? Is it like, you know, every Gemini, Cancer and Leo all are going to get the same message? Really, don't let your past hold you back. So past issues going on in love life might be something else regarding you. You know, somebody might be married to someone. A lot of things are here. Okay, so let's see what the tarot says for my Leos in the week of 9th till 15th of November. So what is there for my Leos, please? Okay, last shuffle. So let's see now. So at the back of the deck we have Ace of Pentacles and the Fool. Okay, I'm really getting over here two new beginnings. Might be a new beginning in your relationship, because as I'm already seeing that a past issue is actually going on in your mind. Okay, so because you are holding some kind of a past, and it's a message that don't let your past hold you back. So that is why if a new beginning is approaching towards you, somebody really, you know, really that kind of a person who is very, very practical, who is very enthusiastic, childlike person in your life. So don't let go of that person right now, because the Fool card is here, new beginnings. And in your area as well, I'm seeing with the Ace of Pentacles that yes, this person, if this is a person in your life who is actually coming in, and just let in that person. It is a very stable offer, to be very honest, Leos. Nine of Cups and the Emperor. See, so this is somebody who is, this is you basically over here with the Nine of Cups, who is very content. Okay, this is a gratefulness time, that your dreams need a practical action. So that is what it is. That with the Nine of Cups, it is there, the time is there now. It's time to say thank you to God, thank you to everything around you, thanks to the universe. So this is the time, because the person who is approaching towards you is a fatherly kind of a figure in your life, who is very who actually takes some decision, okay, who can take a decision of your life as well as of his or her life. Somebody who is very strong. I won't say that you should go with somebody who is taking a decision for you, but it is more about that he or she can think what is right or wrong. A person who can analyze the situations pretty well. A very practical kind of a person. Your better half, somebody who is coming to you with an offer. He or she is a very, very practical person. Five of Pentacles, yes. So there was a past in your life that actually, after that you feel that you are left out in the cold. And now it's really difficult for you to just, understand someone else, to just trust someone else in your life. So that is why this new beginning is coming towards you. You're feeling that this is the stable one. Yes, this is the one. But still you are not bringing that into action. It's just in your thoughts, so you are not letting it down. What is the person? Knight of Wands. So this person is very practical, as I already told you, with the Emperor and Knight of Wands. This person actually wants that action. This person might be somebody who has a very very good career regarding work as well. This person is very much accomplished, career oriented, very enthusiastic as well, a very creative person. So this is what I'm getting over here, that if you have that joyful person, because you over here, Leos, are not very much in that mode where you are like, okay, yeah, let's go, let's enjoy the life. No, you are very stable right now. You're behaving like a pentacle. Okay, you are behaving like an earth sign, Taurus or Virgo or Capricorn. So this is not you right now, Leos. This is not how you behave. Your person is more like you, the fire signs, Aries, Sagittarius. So this might be your person. Six of Swords, again a sword sign. So this is you who loves to run away, basically. So you are not letting anyone in your life, and you are running away from the situation, no matter how much you feel for this person, but your heart is actually cold right now. You are not able to let anyone inside your heart because your heart is already cut. Okay, so this is something, your heart is cold right now. Six of Cups. Okay, so this can be a person from your past as well. If this is not a new person, this can be a person from your past. Somebody who has seen you, that this is someone. It does not mean that this person was you were in a relationship with this person or not, but can be a friend as well, can be somebody who has seen you, when you were growing. They were there. They know each and every act of yours. They know how you have felt. They know how have you have gone through a lot of stuff. So that is why they have seen all that drama in your life. So that is why they are ready for a beautiful offer, a stable offer for you. That is why. Yeah, I can feel that. Ten of Cups. This is your future energy. So I'm really getting that if you are feeling with a new person, like these kind of small happy feelings, so this can be somebody who can be with you. This person can be your lifetime person. They want to have a family with you as well. They are the messengers. So I'm really getting that they are the ones who are proposing to you, not you. They are coming towards you. You're just dreaming. It's like it's in your thoughts, but they are the ones who are taking the action. So it's really good for you, Leos, right now. Advice from Tarot. Four of Swords and Nine of Wands. I know. You are tired, Leos, of all these, rough and tough relationships. It's time for you to take a pause for yourself, but don't take such a long pause that only the prince has to come for a black beauty to wake her up. So don't wait so long, please. And you're tired as well with all the relationships. So, but you have to be, you have to be ready for everything, Leos. It's not like that you are tired and you are like, I'm tired and I quit. No, it's not the time to say I quit. It's time to stand up and to face the world that I don't quit. I am where I am and I will be somebody who is very much strong and stronger than before. So this is you right now. This is the tarot. Tarot is telling you to be you, because Leos are the perfect ones. They are the talk of the town. You know that, Leos, right? So you have to be strong. You have to come up in your energies. Don't be somebody else. No. You have to come back in your life, in your whatever you are, Leos, really. Okay. What are the signs which we have? We have Aries, Virgo, and Cancer, Capricorn, Aries again, Virgo again, Pisces, Leos, and Pisces again. Okay, so that is all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.